to be in for bronchoscopy last Monday, and the wait list was absolutely horrific due to the obscene number of people that came through and the lack of resources that the NHS has. So she was pushed off the list, and again then her team are incredible, and they've negotiated and they managed to somehow, I don't know how, got her in. Her care here has been absolutely amazing. The doctors, the nurses, everyone on the ward is just, they're brilliant, considering what they're under, considering the shortages of staff, considering the lack of resources. And I think for me, that's what's really upsetting actually, because we have a daughter with a life-limiting, a life-shortening condition, and we have some brilliant experts, and they're being worked to the bone, you know, and actually the level of care they provide is amazing, but they're not being able to provide it in the way they want to provide it because the resourcing is not there, you know. Like I said, on Monday we were due to be in, and the number of people coming through the door is too many, and it's not fair to blame it on the pandemic anymore, is it? Because actually we had problems in the NHS before we went into the pandemic. We were short of doctors, we were short of beds going into the pandemic, so I think it's really wrong to blame it on the pandemic. And actually the damage that you're doing to families like myself is terrible, because it was agony for us as a family, waiting for that call and preparing our children for their sister and her hospital visit to then for then it to be cancelled. And I know you look and we're all numbers, but actually we're people waiting for care.
Of course. Well, there's a problem myself on that. Absolutely. So,
and I think this problem with beds, it's, a lot of it's the health and social care, isn't it? We have people that can't get into health and social care and are taking up beds, so until you as a government prioritise health and social care, we're not going to free up the already limited number of beds. And I want to reiterate, the staff are absolutely incredible. We're so lucky as a nation to have this NHS.